Welcome to Sample Exams, where software testing questions get solved, step by step. Let's get started. Only third-party executable code cannot be reviewed, hence the correct answer is C. Answer A is not correct. We do not accept the risk, concrete actions are proposed. Answer B is not correct. No contingency plans are proposed. Answer C is correct. The proposed actions are related to testing, which is a form of risk mitigation. Answer D is not correct. Risk is not transferred but mitigated. Answer A is correct. System testing examines the behavior and capabilities of the complete system and covers non-functional testing of quality characteristics, which includes security testing. This type of testing is often performed by an independent test team based on system specifications. Answer B is not correct. System integration testing examines the interfaces with other systems and external services. Answer C is not correct. Beta testing is a type of acceptance testing performed at an external site by roles outside the development organization. Answer D is not correct. Component integration testing involves testing the interfaces and interactions between components of a system, such as the user interface and database. Answer A is not correct. The paragraph contains information on test levels and exit criteria, which are part of the test approach. Answer B is not correct. The paragraph contains information on test levels and exit criteria, which are part of the test approach. Answer C is not correct. The paragraph contains information on test levels and exit criteria, which are part of the test approach. Answer D is correct. The paragraph contains information on test levels and exit criteria, which are part of the test approach. Answer A is not correct. This is a new product. You probably do not have a checklist yet and test conditions might not be known due to missing requirements. Answer B is not correct. This is a new product. You probably do not have enough information to make correct error guesses. Answer C is correct. Exploratory testing is most useful when there are few known specifications and/or there is a pressing timeline for testing. Answer D is not correct. Branch testing is time-consuming, and your management is asking about some test results now. Also, branch testing does not involve domain knowledge. The equivalence partitions are 99, 100, and 101, 102, 198, 199, and 200, 201. Thus, there are 4 boundary values, which are 100, 101, 199, and 200, in 2-value BVA. For each boundary value, there are 2 coverage items, the boundary value and its closest neighbor belonging to the adjacent partition. As the closest neighbors are also boundary values in the adjacent partition, then there are just 4 coverage items. Thus, answer A is not correct. Only 100 and 200 are valid coverage items for 2-value BVA, so we achieve 50% coverage. Answer B is not correct. Only 100 and 200 are valid coverage items for 2-value BVA, so we achieve 50% coverage. Answer C is not correct. Only 100 and 101 are valid coverage items for 2-value BVA, so we achieve 50% coverage. Answer D is correct. 101, 199 and 200 are valid coverage items for 2-value BVA, so we achieve 75% coverage. Answer A is correct. This test case is related to acceptance criteria 2 and 3, because we check if we can set price range, acceptance criterion 2, and if the results update dynamically after adjusting the price range filter, acceptance criterion 3. Answer B is not correct. This test case is not related to any of the acceptance criteria. It checks if the filter dynamically sets the default minimum and maximum price range, and not that a customer can do it. Answer C is not correct. This test case is not related to any of the acceptance criteria. It checks the currency exchange feature, which is not discussed in this user story. Answer D is not correct. This test case is not related to any of the acceptance criteria. It checks the application's compatibility with different browsers, which is not discussed in this user story. Answer A is correct. This principle means that if the same tests are repeated over and over again, eventually these tests no longer find any new defects. This is probably why the tests all passed in this release as well. Answer B is not correct. This principle says about the mistaken belief that just finding and fixing a large number of defects will ensure the success of a system. Answer C is not correct. This principle says that a small number of components usually contain most of the defects. Answer D is not correct. This principle states that testing all combinations of inputs and preconditions is not feasible. Test and error transitions cannot occur in one test case, neither can both done transitions. This means we need at least 3 test cases to achieve transition coverage. For example, TC1, test, done, TC2, run, error, done, TC3, run, pause, resume, pause, done. Answer A is not correct. The test pyramid model does not provide information about test priorities. Answer B is correct. The test pyramid model shows that different tests have different levels of granularity. Answer C is not correct. The test pyramid model is independent of coverage criteria. Answer D is not correct. Test pyramid model does not show any relations between different tests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more testing tips and exam walkthroughs. See you in the next video.